Hey, how are you? I'm doing pretty okay. I think the biggest change for me right now is that I got a job at a daycare. I haven't started yet. I'm waiting for my background check to pass through. Um, it's 9 to 6. Um, I'm kind of nervous about the hours. They said that they didn't have anything that was like 9 to 4. That would be more ideal. But I mean, what else am I gonna do from 9 to 6? Anyways, that's why I want to get a job because I'm literally doing nothing. Um, Sometimes I feel disconnected with my boyfriend, even though we're with each other every day. But I know we need to do our separate things to come back together and be healthy. Um, I still get flashbacks of when I was in psychosis, and like I say, I think time will heal with that. Yeah, I don't know, yeah, it makes me feel guilty, or I don't know, I feel guilty a lot for a lot of stuff. I just feel like I've lacked confidence. That's why I actually just did my makeup today and put on contacts because I was trying to, look good, feel good. I want to look good for my boyfriend too. Just, keep the spark alive. I do drink alcohol sometimes, but not to the point where, things are I don't know what I'm doing because, my meds have interfered. I my meds have not been good with alcohol. So I definitely try to be careful with that. Trying to think of what else. I don't know, I just the whole Amazon thing too, I've sold 70 candles and I have 400 of them. So I don't know, I really wish that I could do more with Amazon, but I've lacked confidence with it. I'm a little nervous to even do anything with Amazon. I don't even know how I first got my product to Amazon. I was in a different mindset for sure. I am gonna go down on one of my medications because a higher dose say that it can cause depression and stuff, and when I went down before I felt better. I'm just trying to find the right dose for me. But yeah, I'm pretty okay, but also I don't know what I'm doing with my life. But I already tell you that. So it's just whatever. I think that's all I can think of for now. But yeah, the biggest thing is just getting a job. I feel getting a job is going to change a lot of stuff, or I'm hoping not change a lot of stuff, but just get my confidence back into doing something, because I said, I haven't been really doing anything, and I've lost confidence in doing a lot of stuff. So we'll just see how that goes, and I have to figure out my insurance, moving from state to state, and if how long I'm gonna be on these meds, because they say probably just a year after the episode you can usually be on the meds, or you could be on the meds. But I just don't want to go back into another psychotic episode, So I'm just trying to figure that out. And I really feel I know the medicine has had me gain a lot of weight, and I'm really trying to work through that because I've been a skinny mini binny my whole life, and now I'm curvy derby werby, and so I'm just really trying to also figure that out. whatever. But like, I love my boyfriend. I love him so much. And like I said, my makeup looks pretty good. Like honestly, like shit. I tried to do a wing, and I don't know. I got a little better at it. I think did a little wing, but yeah. So this is like the same thing I see like every time, but it's like whatever. It's still nice talking. So okay, yeah. See you in our next appointment.